Hi there. In this video, I will try to share with you how the budget should be allocated when practicing Agile and why the traditional way of doing it is extremely risky for innovative projects. So let's say that we have the same project being managed by two different teams. One is applying Waterfall, the other one is applying Agile. Let me now draw a line showing risk levels in both scenarios. In the project managed in Waterfall, risk levels remain at their highest till the moment you finish the product or service. It is only then that the team finds out whether people love the solution or not. The situation is slightly different in the project managed in Agile. The iterative approach and principles force your team to deliver smaller but working solutions earlier in time. This way, at the end of each iteration, evidence of value, feedback, is collected from the users, and risk levels are therefore gradually decreased right from the beginning of the project. Going back to the waterfall scenario, the project is organized targeting optimization and high-level efficiency, not validation or learnings. All the different stages are anticipated during the planning phase, and now the whole budget needs to be unlocked before the project can actually start. In traditional management, many projects never get started because the whole budget to make them happen has not been fully unblocked. Something that, from an agile perspective, makes absolutely no sense. But what is almost crazy from an agile point of view is that all the money is asked here precisely when risk is at its highest. That is, when the probability of losing everything is most likely occurrence. If we now move to the Agile team, they are not anticipating or planning the whole project. What they are doing is validating the essential hypothesis of value and learning about what really adds up or not. The Agile team doesn't need a significant amount of resources to be allocated at the beginning because their journey is about simplicity, building incremental and minimum solutions. In Scrum terms, you only need enough money to run the immediate next sprint. So in moments of uncertainty, the Agile team only asks for a small amount of money. When the effort is time-boxed and the approach is really based on minimum valuable products, the budget consumption gets consequently less variable. The Agile team continues unlocking iterations up to the limit of the budget and only if more value can be created. Actually, many projects in Agile end or can be stopped before consuming all the available resources just because no major value can be created. On the contrary, the company could scale the project and invest larger amount of money if the Agile team has positively validated the assumptions. But that investment happens when risk levels have been already lowered. I honestly believe Agile will make budgeting in Waterfall obsolete when facing innovative projects. Just try to answer the question, who will be the manager willing to assume the risk of injecting a large amount of money in risky ideas in the most risky moment?